Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy, so glad to have you with me today. Today's video, our topic is different types of writing styles. Okay, different types or different styles of writing. So there are different styles of writing, and these styles of writing serve different purposes. So if you know the goal that you hope to achieve with your writing, and you know and understand the style of writing that will suit that goal, then you're sure to produce a fantastic piece or a fantastic work. So knowing and understanding the styles of writing we have can go a long way to help you to produce a wonderful work. So without wasting much time, let's go in and see the different styles of writing we have. Now, number one on our list is descriptive writing. Now, this is a style of writing that involves capturing every detail or element of a person, a place, or event. So, in this style of writing, the writer is aimed at absorbing the reader into the experience of the moment or event. So if you want to write in the descriptive style of writing, you need to write in such a way that your reader can feel what it is you're trying to pass across to them. Okay, they get to envision or they get to see what you're saying to them in their mind's eye. I mean, it's like they are there when this action is taking place. They are there. So in this style of writing, you have to use every tool available to you to pass your information across to your reader. Okay, you can use your five senses: sight, smell, taste, feeling, hearing. You can also use similes and metaphors. So whatever tool there is, you need to use them to be able to pass your action, your feeling, your message across to your reader in a way that your reader can be able to feel it, can be able to see, to envision what it is you're saying to them. So you capture every element, you capture every detail, you leave no stone unturned in descriptive style of writing. Now, this style of writing can be used together with narrative writing to build scenes for your fictions. Okay, and this style of writing is also used in creative writing. Descriptive style of writing can also be used in more formal writing, okay, such as copywriting, to help interpret your message better to your reader or to your client or to your customer. Okay, so you can also use descriptive style of writing for your poems. Okay, yes. So now that is it for descriptive style of writing. The next one we have is the narrative style of writing. Now, narrative writing has to do with storytelling. So it involves you writing about a character and event that happened in the life of that character. So if narrative writing or narrative style of writing has to do with storytelling, then it must employ the elements of storytelling, which are emotions, conflict, plot, settings, and the rest of them. So when you write narratively, or when you write with the narrative style of writing, you should show a journey. Okay, you should show a journey. There should be a beginning, there should be a middle, and there should be an end. All right, and your character also has to come from somewhere. Okay, he has to progress. Okay, and like he has to come into a conflict. or an interesting event. Okay, and then finally he makes or he reaches a resolution. So narrative writing, is in stages, like it goes stage by stage, from one stage to the other. So that is how you write using the narrative style of writing. Now you can use this narrative style of writing in your creative fiction, your creative writing and your fiction writing. These are the two most common ways of applying narrative style of writing. You can also use this style of writing in your non-fiction books or work. Now, sometimes when we write non-fiction materials, we tend to tell stories somewhere along the line. Okay, so you can use narrative style of writing to better explain those stories. Alright, so basically, novels, short stories, presentations, speeches, all of these can can be written in the narrative style of writing. Okay, now the next writing style we have is expository writing. Now this style of writing aims to teach, to inform, or to explain to your reader, okay, something about a particular topic or a subject. So in expository writing, you are simply trying to explain something to your reader. Okay, so in this style of writing, you need to say everything there is to know about this topic or about this subject. Okay, so you need to answer every possible question that your reader might have concerning this subject or this topic. Okay, and also this style of writing deals with facts. So you share facts, you tell them facts, and not anything that you feel like saying to them. You have to explain the subject, stating facts, and the rest of them. Now, expository writing, okay, is mainly used for academic writing, projects, reports, basically anything that hopes or that aims to that aims to teach or inform uses this style of writing. So if you want to write a report, a textbook, how to do this, how to do that, those kind of articles that teach someone how to do this or how to do that, you use expository style of writing. And also for business writing, you can still use this style of writing. Now the next one on the list is persuasive writing. Okay, persuasive writing. Now this is a style of writing that aims to convince a reader of an idea or a viewpoint. So in persuasive writing, you are trying to convince someone that this is this and that is that. Okay, so if you want someone to believe what you're telling them about this thing or about this subject or topic, you need to give them proof, you need to give them evidences. So the use of proofs or evidences is key in persuasive writing. You can't just tell someone to do this or believe that without any evidence. So while you use facts for expository writing, you use evidences for persuasive writing. Now in persuasive writing, you have to write from the point of view of your reader. Okay, you need to put yourself in your reader's shoes. So what will someone say to you so make you believe that this is this or that is that? Okay, so you write from the point of view of your reader, giving evidences alongside. Okay, now that is persuasive writing. Now persuasive writing is used majorly for non-fiction, okay, especially for business writing, okay, and especially for copywriting. If you want to write copies, you need to write them using the persuasive style of writing. Okay, now we have the next one, creative writing. This is a unique style of writing. I mean, really, really unique style of writing. Creative writing can combine the other styles of writing together, like descriptive, narrative, expositive. It can combine all of them together, and also it can exist entirely on its own, like outside those other styles of writing. So creative writing is a form of writing that is artistic, experimental, new, fresh. Okay, so there are no rules when it comes to creative writing. There are no rules. The writer determines what to use for his writing, what not to use, what goes and what will not go for his writing. So it's something new, it's something fresh. And I mean, it's something also very fascinating. Okay, so this style of writing can be used in your flash fictions, your humor writing, and even for poems. Okay, something new, something out of the box, something that you and you alone as a writer, comes up with. Like, just think about it and then you just write it. It is new, it is fresh, it is experimental, artistic, it is fascinating. So that is creative writing for you. Okay, so I hope you learned quite a lot from this video. Okay, so please, if you're new to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell. Okay, so if you liked or you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. All right, do well to leave a comment for me or a question. So I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and be happy. Bye.